Okay, so for this one, we gotta look at this chart. Okay, and for this it says there's certain points scored, tells us the color of the team, tells us the number of the points. I always take a good look at the chart when I see a visual, when I see a picture in the problem. Always want to get a good look at what that is and try to figure it out. I want your eyes right up here where our work is. So which team scored more than 75 points but less than 90 points? So I'm looking for something, and look, I'm going to underline again, more than 75. So let me look up here and see what's more than 75. This one is, this one is, this one is, this one's not. So I know it can't be that one. But less than 90 points. So now I need to find something that's less than 90. Okay, let's see, this one is, that's not less than 90, that is 90, that's not less than 90, has to be the yellow. It's the only choice. Okay, so let me see, which team scored more than 75 points? Yes. But less than 90 points? Yes. That's the yellow. Fill that right in carefully, and go on to the next one. Mrs. Lynn bought a box of 115 straws. She used 19 of the straws. How many straws does Mrs. Lynn have now? This is a simple subtraction problem. 115 minus 19. Please pay careful attention to this. A lot of you had trouble on your math inventories at the beginning because you have to do something kind of tricky here. Some of you on your math inventories at the beginning, you just took a 9, you said 9 minus 5 is 4, and you wrote 4 here. If you have a 4 here, your answer is incorrect. Okay? If you were to do that. Because you cannot take 9 away from 5. You just can't do it. You have to owe some if you do that. So what you have to do is you have to borrow. You have to borrow from over here. Okay? I'm going to borrow 1 from here and make that a 0. And I'm going to put that 1 right here because it's actually a 10. It's going to be 15 minus 9 equals 6 is what happens there. That should be a 6, that last number. Okay? And then I'm going to say, let's see, 0 minus 1. Well, if I don't have anything, I can't take anything away from it. I've got to borrow again. Okay? So what I'm going to do is cross out that 1, make it a 0, and put that 1 right beside there. Okay? So it's going to be 10 minus 1 equals 9. And 0 minus nothing is obviously 0. So my answer should be 96. Okay, if you borrowed and carried correctly, you would have it right. Then if I want to check that, okay, I can add 96 plus 19. I can add it together and see if I get 115. 6 plus 9 is 15. 5, carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Yes, it matches. Okay? The next one. Olivia had some stickers. Then Craig gave her 3 stickers. Now she has 12 stickers. How many stickers did Olivia start with? Well, that's what we want to know. So she had this many, and then Craig gave her 3 stickers. So plus 3. Now she has 12. Equals 12. So I need to think what plus 3 is going to equal 12. Well, I know that 9 plus 3 equals 12. So the answer for this one must be 9.